Welcome to using your web server. Now that you have installed your server and copied the WebTech files to it, let's look at starting and stopping your server. After that, we will look at how to use the web server to run and test your programs. First, start the server by clicking on the MAMP icon located in the Applications folder or on the dock if you have placed it there. This automatically starts the MAMP server and opens localhost :8888/MAMP on your default web browser. Note, your MAMP control panel may be behind your web browser. Now we are ready to explore your course files. Use the Open browser, or another if you wish, to go to localhost :8888/webtech. Note that your web server must be running in order for you to view this page. Also, when connecting to your MAMP web server, your URLs will always begin localhost :8888 instead of just localhost as indicated in the textbook. Now let's run a simple program from the Samples folder. Click the Run Files in the Sample folder link and then click welcome.html. This will bring up a welcome web page with an interactive form for you to complete. Your page should look similar to mine, and if it doesn't, that might indicate that your web server isn't running. Now let's take a look at an example from your coursework folder. Go back to WebTech and choose the coursework link. Click Chapter 2 and choose hello.html. This page displays a short introductory message about the kind of work you will do for each chapter. Make sure you understand that opening a file in the browser from localhost is different than opening a file from Finder. If we go to Finder and we click on add2numbers.html, the file opens in a browser and it looks okay. But if we try to process a file using Finder, we will not be able to run the PHP file that adds the numbers. Instead, we just see a bunch of code. However, if we run the same files in localhost from the browser with the web server running, we will see that the files are processed correctly. When you have finished working, remember to stop the server and quit the control panel. In the next tutorial, we will look at creating and running a simple program. I'll see you there.